And the race is on. Forest all 11 yan Queen down on the inside is straight. Witness Sangre del Tigre racing on the outside and Getty down on the inside. I am strong on the further outside. Scott Missile, Tricky Charles and Douglas Pride. State Witness by some 3 lengths followed by Sangre del Tigre. 11 yan Queen is running in third by some 2 lengths and Getty Forest all. I am strong. Rounding the far turn, State Witness by some 2 lengths followed by Sangre del Tigre and racing in third 11 yan Queen. I am strong is racing on the outside. Forest all as they race the final corner. State Witness by some 3 lengths. Sangre del Tigre on the outside, 11 yan Queen. I am strong running at the center and nearing the finish line. State Witness, Sangre del Tigre, 11 yan Queen, but still State Witness, and finally close between 11 yan Queen and State Witness.
Okay, we have a close finish between entries number 5, 11